Here we want to simplify the expression and write our final answer in simplified radical form. So for question number 6 here, notice we have a group that's being added times another group that's being subtracted. This should be a reminder that you want to use FOIL in this particular problem. So we're going to have to multiply that 2 squared of x by everything in the second set of parentheses, as well as the 6 by everything in the second set of parentheses. So when we start, we're going to have to multiply 2 squared of x times 5 squared of x. And when we do that, let's just write it this way, 2 squared of x times 5 squared of x. We can multiply outsides with outsides and insides with insides. So 2 times 5 gives me 10, and then inside the square root we have the square root of x squared. Then I'm going to need to multiply the 2 squared of x times the minus 4. And when I do that, I'm going to end up with minus 8 square root of x. Then I'm going to need to multiply the 6 times the 5 square root of x, which will give me a positive 30 square root of x. And I wrap it up by doing 6 times negative 4, which gives me a minus 24. Now we need to see if we can simplify or reduce or combine any like terms here. First of all, notice here we have the square root of x squared. Well, the square root of x squared is just plain old x, so we can do that. Next, we have a pair of radical x's. Since they both have a square root with the same exact thing inside, we can put them together by just adding what's in their front. Negative 8 plus 30 is a positive 22, and so those two center terms will combine to give me a 22 radical x. The minus 24 doesn't have anything else it can combine with, so it just comes along for the ride, and that would be my simplified final answer, 10x plus 22 square root of x minus 24.